Hey there, welcome to Tech AI. Today, I'll show you how to change your download location in Microsoft Edge and then save a random wallpaper to that new location. Let's dive in. First, make sure Microsoft Edge is open on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Downloads. Under Location, click the Change button. This will open a File Explorer window. Now, you can navigate to any folder you want. In this tutorial, I want to create a new folder named Edge Downloads in your video folder. Just go to your video folder, right-click, select New, then Folder. Label it Edge Downloads. Select the folder, pick any wallpaper you like from the search results. Now, let's download a random wallpaper. Right-click on the chosen wallpaper and select Save Image As. Click on Save. Finally, check the folder to ensure the image has been downloaded. And that's it. You've successfully changed your download location in Microsoft Edge and saved a wallpaper to the Videos folder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech AI for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.